In a world where staying connected means staying powered, the Anker SOLIX C300 DC delivers serious energy in a compact travel-ready package. With a massive 90,000 mAh capacity and 288 watt-hours of portable power, this unit goes far beyond your average power bank. Perfect for road trips, mobile work setups, or off-grid weekends. Big thanks to Anker for sending this over. If you're interested, the purchase link is in the description. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Inside, you'll find the Anker SOLIX C300 DC portable power station, a 60cm, 140-watt USB-C to USB-C charging cable, safety manual, and warranty information. Despite its impressive capacity, according to Anker, the C300 DC is 30% smaller than other power stations in its class. Whether you toss it in your backpack or attach the optional strap, it's designed for true portability without compromise. With 7 total ports, including dual 140-watt USB-C PD, a 120-watt car socket, additional USB-C and USB-A outputs. You can power a laptop, charge your phone, top off a tablet, and more all at once. It's an incredibly versatile setup, especially for creators, remote workers, and frequent travelers. To activate it for the first time, just plug it in with an 18-watt or higher USB-C charger, and when it's time to recharge, you've got options: solar power, car socket, or use both PD USB-C ports to hit 80% in just 1 hour. For solar, we recommend pairing it with the 100-watt or 60-watt Anker panels. The C300 DC is built with EV-grade LiFePO4 batteries, smart temperature regulation, and a tough, impact-resistant design, so you can count on it to last whether you're in the city or out in the wild. And with a 3-year warranty included, Anker backs that durability with confidence. Customer response has been strong with an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Users consistently praise the robust build quality, noting that it feels durable yet remains lightweight enough for camping and travel. Many highlight its compact size, calling it easy to carry and ideal for on-the-go use. The Anker app performs reliably, with the solar charging capabilities receiving high marks for efficiency and ease of use. Overall, customers see it as a well-rounded, high-value power station that delivers on both performance and portability. Whether you're working from your van, editing from the beach, or just prepping for your next off-grid trip, the Anker SOLIX C300 DC is your compact powerhouse for reliable on-the-go energy.